Hi, and welcome to evalink Tutorials. In this video, we'll show you how you can add contacts to your sites, which you can then use in your workflows, and how you can create contact lists. But first, what are contacts in evalink Talos? Contacts are key people who need to be informed in the event of an alarm. Within the same workflow, you can add emergency responders, third-party security services, or people from within your organization. Contacts are different from users, who operate evalink Talos and manage workflows. Global contacts are your contacts on a company level. They are superordinate to site group contacts and site contacts. Therefore, they can be used in any workflow. Adding contacts to your site groups, and company all work the same way. Let's say you want to add a contact to one of your sites. Go to Sites and choose one. Go to the tab Contacts and click on Add Contact. Enter their name, phone number, and email address. Define a code word you can use when communicating with that contact to ensure full security, and optionally assign your contact a role. Hit Submit when you're done. Add a contact list by clicking on Add Contact List and group your contacts into the list either manually or via uploading a file. Here we have three hierarchical levels: global contact lists, site group contact lists, site contact lists. If you are on a site level, the contacts and lists are not accessible by other sites. You only have access to the contacts that are in the corresponding site contact list. If you are in a site group level, all the sites that belong to that site group have access to these contacts and contact lists. If you are on a global level, every site group and site have access to these contacts and contact lists. Equally as for adding contacts, type in the desired name of your contact list, assign it a role, and leave a note about that contact list, in which you can briefly describe its purpose. Hit Submit once you're done. And that's it. You can now add contacts and contact lists to your sites, site groups, and company in evalink Talos. Head to evalink.io/getstarted and make sure to watch more video tutorials we have crafted for you that show you how evalink Talos works. To further learn how to use the features in evalink Talos, we recommend you watch next How to Create Workflows in evalink Talos.